Alright guys, so we got this big water oak leaning pretty hard. Got a couple buildings in that tree. It's gonna definitely touch and slap the limbs, but we're gonna knock it through there. Anyway, that's what we got going on. Howdy guys. I fast forwarded this a little bit, just a few minutes here, so I could add a little bit more footage in here. So that's all this speeding up there is about. But it's a lovely little job here. We got some pretty good wood. It's a little. I mentioned in the video that it's not straight grain, but a lot of this up so far, probably 15 foot up, it actually is pretty straight, but it's real stringy. But alright guys, I hope you're having a good day. I'll let you get back to the video. Peace out. Okay guys, so we got her to the ground. Look at this. It was leaning real, but right there. Right there is where she was headed. Let me get on the other side of this stump. I can show you. Just look. Well, see where she was going. Okay, but it had that big limb holding her this way enough. I wasn't even worried about putting a rope in it. You see, done the Humboldt underneath there, and that's what we done. Started cutting it down. I should have videoed this, but a lot of times when I'm cutting up and it was stuck right here on the stump, see, and that was my first cut right here. Instead of coming underneath from the bottom, I actually cut from the top the entire way, but I put a wedge in at the top and beat it in with my axe. That way, it'll slip, my bar won't get pinched or anything. But I'm gonna try to see what that axe does to this stuff real quick. It's water oak. It's definitely not straight grain. It's better than some I've dealt with in the past. Uh-oh. Sorry guys, the camera's wanting to fall down on me. Now then, let's see what this does. Take a little breather. 28 inch. Ooh. There it went. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's stringy. Let me get this. Let me show you guys. When I say stringy, this is what I mean. You see that in there? Or how it just wants to hold. That's stringy. To me, that's what I call stringy. Alright guys, so well we see what it does. Let's see. We can get a couple pieces split off of that thing. Everybody feeling good today? Uh-oh. That tripod, I gotta get me another tripod. That's what the problem is here. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, see, don't know if you can see it splitting. It split both times. It's just stringy and wants to hang on. This is all. Oh yeah. Yep. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get back to cutting this thing up. But she splits pretty good, so we're gonna have fun with that. We are gonna have fun when we get this to the house, splitting that stuff up. Okay guys, we got that 680 in this oak right here. 27-inch bar. Cut through it like it ain't even there. Well, for a what is that? That's a 66 cc saw, and that one's not been poured. That was just stopped. The muffler's not even been messed with.